News. Lamborghini Urus SE makes world premiere at Auto China Beijing 2024. Following its unveiling at the Volkswagen Group Media Night on April 24, the Lamborghini Urus SE made its world public premiere at the Auto China Beijing 2024 Motor Show. This new generation Urus, the Urus SE, the first PHEV, plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, luxury super SUV, features a new design, optimized aerodynamics, unprecedented onboard technologies, and a hybrid powertrain with an output of 800 CV, setting a new segment benchmark in terms of comfort, performance, efficiency, emissions and driving pleasure. The Revuelto, the first super sports V12 hybrid HPEV, high-performance electrified vehicle, is also being showcased, while the Huracán Tecnica, a rear-wheel drive super sports car powered by a V10 engine, is on display in the Ad Personam room. Stefan Winkelmann, chairman and CEO of Automobili Lamborghini said, "It is a pleasure to present our latest achievements at this important event in the automotive industry. 12 years ago, also here in Beijing, I was proud to present the Urus concept car to the world, which created a whole new segment of a super sports car in the body of an SUV. The Urus has become one of the most successful Lamborghini models since its launch, becoming our third pillar within the lineup and proving our far-sighted vision. Now we witness the evolution of the super SUV. As the most powerful SUV on the market, the new Urus SE is the next chapter of our success story, which also marks another significant step in our electrification plan, Dirizione sur Taurit. World premiere of the Lamborghini Urus SE. The Lamborghini Urus SE adopts a re-engineered twin-turbo 4.0 V8 engine, delivering 620 CV of power and 800 Nm of torque. In optimal synergy with the electric powertrain, the system generates a total power output of 800 CV and a total torque of 950 Nm. The new centrally located longitudinal electric torque vectoring system is also installed for the first time in the Urus SE, complementing the transfer case and the new electronic limited slip differential to give the vehicle, on-demand, oversteering to deliver Lamborghini's iconic super sports car driving experience. Thanks to the two hearts combining thermal and electric power, the Urus SE boasts best-in-segment torque and power values with an 80% reduction in emissions. Combining Urus driving modes and 4 new electric performance strategies, EPS, it offers a total of 11 options, and is capable of traveling more than 60 km in EV drive mode. The Urus SE redefines the stylistic canons of a super SUV. New design features include headlight clusters with matrix LED technology, as well as bumper and front grille. The hood adopts a floating design, in line with the design concept of the Revuelto, and the cargo compartment hatch features a Gallardo-inspired design style with the taillight clusters connected with the Y lights and the new rear diffuser, harmonizing the rear silhouette. The Urus SE pays homage to classic design while demonstrating enhanced sportiness as a super SUV with innovative concepts. The interior design follows the "Feel Like a Pilot" concept, featuring a 12.3-inch central touchscreen with the new human-machine interface, HMI, allowing enhanced interaction between the driver and the digital system. The Urus SE also offers incomparable and diverse Ad Personam customization options, with more than 100 bodywork color options and 47 color combinations and 4 types of embroidery for the interior, proving infinite. News. Lamborghini Urus SE makes world premiere at Auto China Beijing 2024. Following its unveiling at the Volkswagen Group Media Night on April 24, the Lamborghini Urus SE made its world public premiere at the Auto China Beijing 2024 Motor Show. This new generation Urus, the Urus SE, the first PHEV, plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, luxury super SUV, features a new design, optimized aerodynamics, unprecedented onboard technology.